Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And every time we talk about something about Microsoft creating something new, and at first it looks nice, and the each updates bring something new to it. And there's a point where it gets a little too complicated and really too bloated. And one of the things that I was noticing is File Explorer. So you go to the File Explorer and you go to, whatever folder you want or anything, and you would like to do something with a file and see the options. When you right click, that context menu is really too long. It has way too many options. With the open and open with, and there you should, have these options, yes, but then you have all of the other things like rotate left, rotate right, and compress to, and copy to path, and always keep on the device, and free up space in OneDrive. And why all of this? Everything that you right click on should have a context menu that's very simple. No more than 5 or 6 options, the most popular ones. And if you want, then put show more options. But it's hard to believe that with all of this here, plus now they've actually put little icons with the names underneath, because before it was just icons and people didn't know what the heck to do. Now cut, copy, rename, share, and whatever is here. You don't need really that much information. How about having that top here, copy, cut, rename, share and delete, open and open with. Yeah, okay, I got that. But after that, why is share here when you have share here? It's kind of useless. And you got copy here, but copy to path here. And it's like, what? Why don't you just take all of that menu and put it in show more options below, I don't know, the first options here, and open with. And that's it. I mean, there's way too much stuff to understand at some point. And Microsoft is, unfortunately, with everything they do, and they've been doing for a while, making things worse and worse and more complicated and more difficult to use, when this could be kept really, really simple. So what do you guys think about that? Too complicated? Too many options? Not clear enough? I think that is definitely a problem right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.